Inland's broadcasting in. Welcome to Jingdezhen. And now I'm here at Taoxichuan Spring Autumn Art Fair. Let's find out. Guess what? This year's event is taking place at the historic Weiming Porcelain Factory. Decades ago, this was one of the busiest places in the porcelain capital.
Machines roared day and night, and the kilns never went cold. Crates of porcelain were shipped from here to every corner of the world. Even back then, Jingdezhen porcelain had graced homes all over the globe.
And now it's becoming a grand gathering for artists and creators from all over the world. I like your pieces.
Oh, thank you very much. This is couple. We have nothing like this in Moscow. I have impressed of your ceramics. Every gallery is unique. China, I love China.
Oh, is this a necklace?
That is a necklace, yes. It is thrown on the wheel, and well, you can see the texture is the same as the pieces over here.
Ah.
Yeah.
Can I try it?
Sure, feel free. And I have a mirror if you want. You can watch it.
Oh,
I will get it for you. And you can have a look in the mirror.
Yeah.
If you like it.
Wow, it's so lovely. I like it.
I am from Holland, from the Netherlands.
So is this your first time in Jingdezhen?
No, I came here for the first time in 2016, and since that I came back every year because I like it so much in Jingdezhen.
Wow.
I stay with the Chinese friends to make ceramics,
Yeah.
and now I'm here on the fair, and this
Yeah.
is, I think, the 5th time.
So actually it's a long way from your country to Jingdezhen. So what brings you back so many times?
Oh, I love it to be here.
Yeah.
Very nice people, lots of ceramics, materials, tools, everything is available, and nice people. It's like a family. You see, where you're from, France, China, wherever you're from, it feels like family because we're all ceramic artists, and that's what we like.
By day it's a market, by night it's a party. Let's enjoy it.
People are laughing, dancing, and connecting. The old factory has truly come back to life, not only giving artisans a new stage, but also adding warmth to the city itself. From carrying the national memory of its time to embracing the creative playground of Generation Z, the transformation of
Weiming Porcelain Factory
is a vivid reflection of Jingdezhen itself. This flame has burned for 1,000 years. Now it warms not only the porcelain, but also the hearts of the people.